Twaimuna. Today, once more, I'm coming to you to talk about another word, few words in Kiluba. I decided not to really bombard you or give you more information in Kiluba. So we're going very slowly. Before we know, we're speaking fluently. So today, the words chosen Shikata. I wrote it down there. I hope you guys can see what's written there. Shikata and then Imana or Imana. That's the two words. Uh, those words are important. At least when you receive visitors, you're gonna the shikata. Shikata means sit down. Shikata means sit down, and imana means stand up or stand. So shikata means sit, or for English we will say shikata means sit down. So we can tell somebody sit down means shikata, and then stand up means imana. Imana. Those are two important word. We can go around the saying, for instance, shikata, shikata pakishi. Shikata pakishi means sit down in the chair. So sit in the chair means shikata pakishi, or imana. Imana, we can say, for instance, for children or anyone who wanna stand up on the table, we can say imana pa mesa. Mesa. It's always hard to stay with only few words. The more I talk, the more I feel like I added a new word which I didn't really plan to add. Mesa means table. Mesa.